So you've got a business idea that just won't leave you alone. And now you're thinking, all right, it's time to make this official. If you're setting up shop in Utah, forming an LLC is a fantastic way to protect yourself legally and give your business a proper foundation. Now, the good news is Utah makes it pretty easy. So let's break it down together, one step at a time. Now, before you print those business cards, you need to make sure that your LLC name is unique and follows Utah's rules. It has to include limited liability company or something like LLC at the end of the name, and it shouldn't be too similar to another registered business in Utah. You can quickly run a search using the Utah Business Entity Search tool to make sure that your dream name isn't already taken. And hey, if you are not ready to file just yet, you can reserve the name for 120 days by filling in an application and paying $22. Every Utah LLC needs a registered agent. Basically, this is someone or company who agrees to receive legal papers and state notices on behalf of your business. Now, this person must have a physical address in Utah and be available during normal business hours. Now, you can be your own agent, or you can hire a professional service, and that usually costs anywhere between $90 to $249 per year. It's totally up to you. Just make sure whoever you choose is very reliable. Now, this is where your LLC becomes official. You will need to file a certificate of organization with the Utah Division of Corporations. It's a straightforward form that includes your business name, registered agent info, and a few other basics. The filing fee is $54, and you can file online, which is quicker, or you can do it by mail. Once you have filed, it is now time to get your EIN. This is your employer identification number, and that can be obtained from the IRS. Now, it's like a social security number, but for your business. It's 100% free, and you can apply online in just a few minutes. You will need it for things like opening a business bank account or for hiring employees. Now, the state of Utah doesn't require you to have an operating agreement, but trust me, you will want one. It's a simple document that spells out how your LLC will be managed, how decisions get made, and what happens if a member leaves or the business closes. Even if you are a one-person LLC, it's still a good idea to have this in place. Each year, you will need to file a simple report to keep your LLC in good standing with the state. And it's due by your LLC's anniversary date, and the filing fee is just $20. You can knock this out online through Utah's business registration portal. Now, this part depends on what you do and where you're located. Some cities or counties in Utah require additional business licenses or permits, so take a moment to check with your local government offices to see if anything applies to you. To keep your finances clean and your liability protection intact, open a dedicated bank account for your LLC. You will usually need your certificate of organization, your EIN, and maybe a copy of your operating agreement. And that is a wrap. So, starting an LLC in Utah is not rocket science. It's more like following a recipe. Now, as long as you take it step by step, you will be up and running in no time. And if this still feels overwhelming, then there's no shame in handing the paperwork off to a formation service. They will handle the red tape while you focus on growing the thing that you actually care about, your business. If you're ready to get started, then you've got this. And if you need a deeper dive, check out the full guide in the description. We'll see you soon.